If you're looking to apply for any intellectual property type with the Intellectual Property Office of New Zealand, you'll need to get set up on their website. There are a few steps to get up and running, so let's walk through them. IPONZ uses RealMe to sign into the website. If you don't have one already, start by creating a RealMe login account. If you already have a RealMe login but you've forgotten your username or password, click Login on our website and use the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. As long as you have your email address or phone number you used to set up your RealMe account, you should be able to get your login details. Once you have your RealMe account sorted, you can log on to the IPONZ case management facility and set up your IPONZ account. The prompt should make the next steps clear. You'll just need to select from a few options. Option 1. I am a new user with an activation code from my organization. Choose this option if your organization has an administrator who's overseeing your organization's access to the IPONZ system. Your administrator can send you an activation code that will join your new account to your organization. Option 2. I am a new user representing myself or an organization which is new to IPONZ. Choose this option if you or your organization have not previously filed any applications with IPONZ. This will set up a new IPONZ account that you can use to file applications or requests for yourself or your organization. Option 3. I am a new user representing myself or an organization which has previously filed an application with IPONZ. Choose this option if you or your organization has an existing application or registration with IPONZ. You can link your new account to the existing records. Okay, great. Now you're ready to set up your client ID and choose a default client for your account. The transactions you make on your account are automatically listed under your default client. You can choose to use another client ID or change your default one if you want to. For example, if part of your job means that you're tasked with filing patent applications for the company you work for, you will probably have this as your default client. But you also have a trademark for your own business. You can switch between the company you work for and yourself personally. This means the correct owner is listed on any IP you apply for in the future. To choose a default client for your account, go to your inbox, then under My Account, select My Profile. You'll be taken to a new page with a User's Data tab. Under Default Client, hit Search. Pick your preferred entity from the list by ticking the circle to the left. Then click the Select button. This will return you to your profile page with the entity selected. We're there. Click the Submit button on the lower right corner of the page to save your default client settings. Now that's done, you're ready to apply for a trademark or access the IPONZ services. Check out our other videos for more info on these. Still have questions? The Intellectual Property Office of New Zealand is open between 8:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. For less urgent matters, you can head to the Contact Us page on the IPONZ website. We should be in touch within 7 working days. The Contact Us page also has a common queries section, so be sure to check this out in case it addresses your question or concern.